GiuliettaX, how set the doses from the group head. We will need a cup, a scale, and for being precise, a scale. First, we press the fifth button when obviously the machine is on, until on the screen it will show doses setting, and we have 30 seconds to perform the doses setting. When we set the doses on the first group, these doses are also applied on the second group. That means that if you want different dosage system, you have to repeat the steps. By pressing the fifth button, we skip the function of the technical mode until we arrive to the temperature settings. So now we have to has the temperature enabled. We press again the fifth button. We can set the Celsius degree or Fahrenheit degree by pressing the first and the second button. Here we set on Celsius degree, then pressing the fifth degree we confirm our choice. Now, always with the first and the second button, we can set the new temperature that we want inside the boiler. So if you check now, we can switch the temperature between 113 and 110. So, for example, now we set on 125, and for confirm your choice, you have to press the fifth button. Here we enter inside another mode about the temperature topic, that is the temperature that we will have inside the boiler after 15 minutes of inactivity, for avoiding the overheating of the group head. So we can set 120, 100, which temperature we want, inside the range of 113 and 110. So if the group head in your condition is overheating after 15 minutes of inactivity, with this tool is it possible to control the problem. So once we decided the temperature, we press again the fifth button, and we press the fifth button until we reach again off on the display. And for enable again the machine, we press the third button. So on the display it's shown Ciao GiuliettaX, and the machine is ready for work. For having two different dosage settings for each group, we have to press again the fifth button, then install this case on the second group and perform the doses that you want for each coffee type. So in this way, now the doses are set differently, and the doses that we set on the second group are not applied to the first group. So for performing the dosage setting, we are in the dosage setting. We have to select which dose set within 30 seconds. We will start for the single shot. So we will stop the dose at 30 grams of water, more or less. Then we pass the setting of the long coffee. So now the machine is recording how much water has flowed until we press the button. So with this volume of water, we will select the doses. So now we set the double espresso coffee, so it should be the double of the single espresso. Note that you have the light off once you have set the dose. So here we will get more or less 50 grams of water. As we can see. Then we set the last double coffee. Now for exit from the dosage setting, we press the 5th button once and the second time. Now we are ready.